Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to install the different themes for the Gnome desktop from the repository that is available in the OpenSuse Tumbleweed. So you have to first do the sudo hyper refresh. So it will refresh the repositories. You can see here it is refreshing the repositories. Finally, you have to issue this command. For example, if you want to install the Yaru theme, you have to install or issue this command sudo hyper search Yaru. So it will show us all the packages that are available for the Yaru theme. So there are certain packages which are for the Gnome desktop, and certain Yaru theme application packages are for the Mate desktop. So you have to choose the application packages or the this theme packages that are for the Gnome desktop. So I have done this. So I issued this command sudo hyper in is install Yaru dash icon theme space sudo sound dash theme that dash Yaru. Then second is third application is packages GTK2 dash meta theme dash Yaru, GTK3 meta theme dash Yaru, and the meta theme dash Yaru dash common. So on doing this, it will install the complete Yaru theme with all the dependencies. And further, you can also use this command sudo hyper search icon theme. So it will show us all the icon themes that are available in the OpenSuse repositories. So you can see these are all the applications that are available in the repositories of OpenSuse. So these are all officially supported icon themes. It's very quite a long list. Plus there are some application packages like Python which are needed to support, or I think no, these are the themes for the Python packages. So these are the themes and icons for the Python packages. So all the fonts, icons and themes for the different application packages will be shown here. And after you have seen this, you have to search and select your packages that we require. So I have selected it. So I issued the command sudo hyper in Ubuntu dash mono dash icon dash theme, sonar icon theme, suru plus dark icon theme, mocha icon theme, papyrus icon theme, tango icon theme, sonar icon theme, paper icon theme, nimbus icon theme, mintex mintex icon theme, mint y icon theme, Cora icon theme, Deepin icon theme, Deepin icon theme, vintage, distribution logos, OpenSuse icon. So the OpenSuse icons can be updated using this. And once this is done, it will also pull certain dependencies and everything will be installed. So around 15 packages were installed. After that, you can check it out here. So you have to open the tweaks. If it is Gnome desktop, you have to open the tweaks. So let me open the tweaks application, and you can see all those icon themes will be available here in the appearance section. You can see here all these application package, icon theme packages are installed and icon themes are available for your selection and execution. So I had done the papyrus theme, and there are certain cursor styles also available. So paper, Yaru, bloom dark and bloom along with the default Advaita is available. There is no updation to the shell, and in the legacy applications also certain icon themes are available like Advaita, Advaita dark, high contrast inverse, Yaru, Yaru dark and Yaru light. So that's it. And if you want, I will just show you. So this Yaru theme is perfectly applied in OpenSuse. It is compatible with OpenSuse. You can use this theme because in OpenSuse certain themes from the gnomelook.org website, those are not compatible with OpenSuse. They will install, but you will not be able to see those themes in tweaks appearance section. And even if you can apply them, certain icons for certain applications will be missing. For example, for especially for the YAST group of applications. So YAST module, those icon themes will not have icons for the YAS software modules. So you have to keep this in mind. Yaru theme, this Papyrus, they all are compatible with the YAS 2 modules. So YAS 2 modules proper icons will be displayed. For example, if you use the Surfin and the Sardi icons from Arco Linux and install it, you can also install them here. But those don't have the icons for the YAS 2 modules, and then in that case, only blank squares will be shown. So it will be just grayed out squares. There will be no icon for the YAS 2 module themes. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.